Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to enable Smart Compose in Gmail. Friends, Smart Compose feature help you by suggesting word, sentence when you are typing an email. So to enable Smart Compose, you simply need to click on this gear icon. Now here click on See All Settings. Now here in Settings, you need to scroll it little down. Now here you will find option of Smart Compose. So you simply need to enable it. Now after enabling, you need to save the settings. So on the bottom of the page, you need to click on Save Changes. Now click on Compose. Now as you can see, while I am typing the email, it is suggesting me the words to complete the sentence. So friends, like this it helps you while writing the email. So to add this suggestion to your email, you need to press on right arrow key on your keyboard. Now the suggestion is added to your email. You can edit it. So friends, like this you can very easily enable Smart Compose in Gmail and use it while making your emails. So friends, I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.